hope you're doing good. I most certainly do. I do hope you are having a wonderful weekend this October weekend. Is the weather cooling down in your area, or is it still really warm? The temps are up and down here in Alabama. So what do I got? I know you saw in the thumbnail and the title, I've got another unboxing. And I got my Allure. I'm trying to open it. Ugh. I'm really super curious. I have not opened this box yet, and I'm really curious to see what the first official month is going to consist of with the new price increases. Go grab a snack, something to drink. You know me, Mama's got her coffee. Cheers. Sit back, relax, and we're going to dive right into this box. So, Allure has officially changed. They've upped their prices. They went from $15 a month up to $23. Right? Yeah, 23. This is, you know, similar, right? Looks similar. White box with the name red. But look, the box is bigger. Okay, so here's the first difference right here. So we were paying for a bigger box. All right. Now, I have not opened this yet. So we're going to experience this together and decide whether or not this new revamped subscription, new and improved, I don't know, we shall see. Ready? Okay, so you open it up, it's red inside. Ooh. Okay. So on the inside, it says from the beauty experts, Allure Beauty Box. And then there's a gorgeous picture with a little pamphlet. And then, of course, all of our products. Now, we're supposed to be getting more full-size items rather than deluxe sample size or even BB sample size. So, I mean, we're supposed to be getting better brands. I don't know. We'll see. So here is the pamphlet that we got in our box. And this is the October 2020 edition of the Allure Beauty Box. All right, let's dive in. Now, there's a lot of details, and one thing that I will say, it's a little different. I don't necessarily like it or dislike it, but when they do their inside their little pamphlet, instead of giving the item description for each item with the price and stuff like that, like most beauty boxes do, they tell you what the item is, the product is. Allure tends to give you insider tips and editor opinions and stuff like that about the products. So I normally don't go too crazy reading a lot of this. So the first thing in the book is by the new company, new co. Topical C, the new co. Potent-powered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, which we all know Mama needs, and brighten skin. Ferulic yeah, ferulic acid stabilizes and increases absorption, while colloidal, oatmeal, and aloe vera soothe and calm. 2 to 3 shakes. Blend into moisturizer, serum, or water. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. Okay. So it says in the pamphlet, the little thing, that this retails for $70. So that's a really high value item to get in our box. So I guess we're off to a pretty good start, Allure. Let's open this up. Okay. That's what it looks like. Nice, like, glass bottle. Looks pretty. So is it a serum or a cream? Oh, neither. Okay. This is weird. See, I don't know. Call me crazy. I just don't really like stuff like this. That's why it says 2 to 3 shakes. Because this is a powder that you add to your moisturizer, serum, or like water. So, yeah. Say it's a powder, a vitamin C powder. Yeah, I'll try it. I've gotten stuff like that before, and I just wasn't a big fan. I don't know. I'll try it. Next is by Verso. Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8 by Verso Skin Care. Mama loves her ear serums. What's an ear serum? I'm such a ding dong. Eye serum. Verso Eye Serum. So it says here that this retails for $65. So, okay. Another high ticket item. So, not bad. Firming and Smoothing Eye Serum with Retinol 8. Next is a nail polish by Static Nails. This is a really pretty color. So, I mean, I'm not hating it. I don't know. Yeah, okay. This says it's $16. I would never pay $16 for a flippin' nail polish. Mama go to Dollar General and get her some $1 polish. Static Nails Liquid Glass Lacquer in the color Irene. I don't know, the $16. Alrighty. Next, we've got by Dr. Jart. This is a ceramidin cream. I wanted to say ceramide, but it's not. It's ceramidin. Ceramidin. This is saying that this is valued at $48. So it's basically, looks like it's a moisturizer. Moisture Retention Shield for $48. This is a really teeny container for $48. I'm not so sure that this is full size. I mean, an eye cream may be the size, but not a moisturizer. That's weird. Sigma liquid lipstick. And this is saying, okay, so it's in the color Venom. And it says it's valued at $20. But in the booklet, doesn't that look a lot bigger than the one I got? You guys tell me. Does that look like the $20 product they've got in their picture? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not thinking this is 20 bucks, you guys. I know Sigma's a good brand, don't get me wrong. All right, so we got a baby Lippy. They say it's worth $20, but the one they've got pictured is a whole heck of a lot bigger than the BB one I got. Now, don't get me wrong. This one, you know, will last several minutes. You know, it's not like it's a one-time use or anything. So I'm not saying that. But, okay. Next is by La Roche-Posay. Picard Bomb. AP Plus. That's a mouthful. There's that. This is what we're getting, which is 15 milliliters. But, okay, so this makes sense to me. In here, it says it's $19.99 for 400 milliliters. So that makes sense. You're not claiming that this is a full size. You know, you're not saying, hey, look at the big product, but you're going to get a baby one, and we're going to tell you it's worth a lot of money. So yeah, I think that they didn't, you know, mislead in this one. I think this is, you know, makes more sense. I think the Lippy and the moisturizer, I just don't feel like those are full-size items for the price. You know, like that moisturizer, to me, that's not a $48 moisturizer. So this says it's a balm. Okay, so here's our little thing to try, which, you know, I'm okay with. The Picard Bomb Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream for extra dry, sensitive skin for use with babies, children, and adults. Appropriate for body and face. Okay, that's cool. Alrighty. Alright, now we've got more. So next is by Wilma Schumann, European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. This is one set of eye pads. And okay, so we have a reasonable itemization and pricing in here. It says $18 gets you a package of 5 of these for $18. That's a reasonable price. So eye patches I'm very happy with. I definitely use stuff like that. And then, or it's by Rusk, Pure Mix. This is a shampoo and conditioner, right? Yep. Trial size, one-time use if you have short hair, I guess, because that wouldn't cover half my hair. And then on the back, it also has a code for like 20% off and stuff like that. And I will say that's another neat thing that Allure does is, and for each of their products, they usually give you a discount code. If you wanted to purchase more of that product, you have a discount code and you can get a discount for that product. Okay, so I don't know. What do you guys think of the new box? Cheers. So I feel like the value is there. We got a couple high ticket items, but I'm just not loving the box. So everything was skincare in the box, pretty much, except for the Sigma Lippy. I guess I kind of had higher expectations, especially for the first box. I thought they'd kind of blow it out of the park a little bit more. Don't get me wrong, I there is value there. I mean, that vitamin C powder alone was $70. So it's just not something I would use. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think of their first month of the new upgraded Allure box? What do you think? Is this a love it? Or do you think it's going to go more towards my chuck it list? I don't know. I mean, I'm not going to chuck it right away. I will give it another month or two. We shall see. But right now, it's not a love it for me. I'm just not over the moon with anything really that I got in the box. Really anything at all. But that was my Allure for October 2020. Thanks, of course, as usual, for coming to hang out with me for yet another unboxing. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to y'all soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.